What's up, guys? It's April 2nd, 2024. I think there's a nice big gap down for the Bears with a little bit of continuation. Measured move was met quickly, though. That was interesting. So, yeah, pretty big gap down. R1 is good. That looks obnoxious. Bye. Thank you. Come again. So, bar 1 is continuation. Bar 2 is continuation. At 3 and 4 are also bear bars. So, big gap down with continuation. Deep pullback. This becomes the channel phase. And then they go for 2 legs lower here. This is also leg 1, 2 move to me, or it could be a breakout, full channel phase, pullback. First pullback is initiates the channel phase. Is that right? First pullback initiates the channel phase, and then the market channels, and then eventually goes into a range. So multiple ways to look at this price action here. Second leg trap, end of a channel, end of a bear channel. 2 legs lower. Bar 10 is bad follow through. Bar 10 and 11 look like they can get a second leg higher. Here we have a wedge bottom-ish bull flag. Leg 1, pullback. 2, pullback. Leg 3. I did buy one of these. I think I bought the close of this bar. EMA. Bar 19, bull bar, range bar. Bar 20 is a good closing bull bar. It's a trend bar. So it's kind of looking like a head and shoulders pattern-ish. I kind of saw this as a bull flag, final flag, range, into the EMA. Then they get another form of a bull flag. Here could be a pull, 2-legged pullback for the Bears. Leg 1, pullback. Oh, excuse me. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, pullback. Leg 3. That kind of creates a double bottom here on support. Maybe a bull flag double bottom. However, that was, yeah, that kind of. This is also a wedge bottom here. Really deep pullback into support with bar 20. And then bar 34 and 35 start to break out. And then Bulls get 2 legs. Here's a leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, pullback. Leg 3. And then they sell off into the EMA, going sideways for quite some time. It ends up being a TTR, and I took a decent hit here. So I'm gonna play this a little bit differently. I'm gonna take some time and just if I take a big hit, I'm just take a little breather. So I'm gonna take a little breather because I was doing good here, and then we got into this TTR, and I kind of got crushed. Al recommends we don't talk about TTRs ever. No, Al recommends we don't trade TTRs. Tight trading range because of kind of what happened to me today. It's very easy to go long, short, and that's what happened. And then here I kind of sized up a little bit, and now hell broke loose. But it was a bull channel. We have a leg 1, pullback leg 2. Low of the day is put in. There's support being made right here. Bull gaps are staying open here, and then they just kind of channel higher. It looks like bulls wanted to grab the EMA, start to break out of the range, but they don't get a measured move. The morning range-ish, kind of. I had it like this. And yeah, they almost get it. See what 50% of this pullback would be. Oh, wow. I didn't even have that up for some reason. A good thing to measure. 50%, so the gap down, 50%. Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Yeah, that's right. Because that's where the pullback starts. And then, yeah, so they almost made it to the 50% pullback. Looks like there was some resistance above being the higher time frame EMA, and 50% level may fail and keep going. This can ultimately be a bear flag, and the bull channel actually looks. I just talked about this bull channel right here, but now I'm looking at it from a little bit earlier perspective. I missed. So right there is honestly kind of the bull channel. Look, you can buy here and get out here, buy here, get out there, buy more here, get out on this one. Kind of reach that higher. I don't know if you fit it as a breakout or by the close rally. It's up to you. All bear flags eventually, all bull channels eventually have bearish breakouts, and this is a bear flag right here. That's really cool to see. I don't know why I like seeing that. Leg 1, leg 2 moves. Pretty tired today. Leg 1, leg 2. Met. We can go from wicks. That's met. Out to here. That's met too. Really nice momentum in the morning. Continuation from the gap down. Pretty deep pullback. This could be some sort of wedge top if you saw it like a push. So it sells off 1, sells off 2, sells off 3, wedge top, failing to completely reverse, strong reversal down, then it sells off here. Bar 10. Here, I think this is strong enough for a leg 2 move. I was about to just start the entire thing over again. I don't know why. So here, bar 10 to bar 11. Pull back, bar 18. That's met. Ah, that's so cool. That's pretty cool, you have to admit. Like, it's coming together slow and steady. Slow and steady. I'm trying to play it very slow now because I see it's very easy for me to blow up. I'm not going to even say I'm getting a payout anymore. I'm sick of it. I'm honestly sick of it. When it happens, it happens. I'm just going to take my time with it. I don't know why I feel so gassed out from last, like, getting blowing up in the beginning of March. Here's another leg 1, leg 2 move that kind of ends up being a leg 3 move. Here, pretty nice. So from a measured move perspective, it was leg 1, pullback leg 2. But from bar counting, I mean from like reading the price action pullbacks, leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. The market goes range bound. And I think we can measure this from a breakout instead of a leg 1, leg 2 move here. So breakout like here, TTR. That was met. That's cool. See, it was met here. Was it met there? No, it wasn't. Wasn't met there. But if you do this high, bar 43 is high, bar 40 is. I got the hiccups all of a sudden. Bar 40 is low. It was met with bar 70, almost with bar 74, then for sure with bar 76. That's a breakout. It's just breaking out the range. Where are we in the overall market cycle? Let's talk about that here. So we had the breakout, right? It was the bear channel at a wedge bottom here. The bull flag, wedge bottom. It's a breakout. First opposite bar initiates channel phase, and we've been channeling for a few months now. After the channel phase is a range bound. So depending on what the market does at the EMA, we could trend higher. We have broke it. We broke the support. We broke it here and it bounced, double bottom bounced, and then pulled back longer bounce. So looked like the support, the trend line's getting kind of weaker. These bars look pretty nasty, kind of like a higher high double top. So where are we in this overall cycle? We're either in the channel phase or starting the beginning of the range phase. Where are we in the 5-minute market cycle? Kind of talked about it a little bit, but breakout, first pullback, channel. After channel, we go range bound. The first pullback became the target, and that was met here for the bulls. They want to start tagging these next breakdowns. This is a bear flag. Reading the blue book, these failed reversals become targets when the market does reverse. So that was the first target for the bulls, and that was met here. So yeah, market was range bound today. Reset market cycle slowly resetting. It kind of broke out here. Pretty weak breakout. It'll be interesting to see what happens. Breakout is the start of a new market cycle. Hope you guys are doing good and you guys are studying. I'm glad to get back in the markets. I still have this 9 to 5, and a part of me today just had an idea to grind out as many hours as I can and then just call it quits. But we'll see, because I do have the account, but I just want to breathe a little bit. Yeah, so I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you for the support. I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? I'm super tired, so I'm going to sleep early today. I got to get up early tomorrow. Let me know if you guys traded the overnight session, and drop some comments on the type of trades you guys have been doing. I traded the overnight session a little bit. I caught some of this gap down. That was nice. Then it got kind of rangy. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about trading the overnight session. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.